Have you ever wondered how a simple spice like cloves can bring tremendous benefits to your health? Taking one stick of cloves every day can significantly improve your well-being, but it's essential to avoid the common mistake that millions of people make. In this video, we will delve into the numerous health benefits of cloves, the correct way to take them, and the amazing results you can expect. If you've taken cloves before, press the like button to show your interest. And if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all our new videos. Cloves are universally recognized for their incredible health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamins K and C and healthy fibers, they play a crucial role in strengthening immunity and maintaining overall health. The presence of eugenol, a potent compound, further enhances their therapeutic properties. Consuming cloves on an empty stomach or before bed can yield multiple health benefits. Let's explore the health benefits of cloves and the correct way to consume them. Number 1. Strengthening the immune system. One of the most significant benefits of cloves is their ability to strengthen the immune system. Cloves are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and fight off infections. By chewing cloves on an empty stomach daily, you can boost your immune system's ability to ward off bacterial and viral infections, thereby protecting your body from various diseases. This is especially crucial during cold and flu seasons when our immune systems are under constant attack. Vitamin C plays a vital role in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Additionally, the eugenol in cloves has anti-inflammatory properties, further enhancing the immune response. Regular consumption of cloves can help maintain a healthy immune system, ensuring that your body is well equipped to handle any health challenges. Number 2. Enhancing testosterone. Cloves have been found to enhance testosterone levels in men. Testosterone is a crucial hormone that plays a significant role in various bodily functions, including sperm production and maintaining libido. Higher testosterone levels can lead to increased vitality and improved overall well-being in men. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels, which can help in addressing issues like low libido, fatigue, and infertility. Research has shown that the compounds in cloves stimulate the production of testosterone, leading to better reproductive health. Number 3. Regulating blood sugar. For those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels, cloves can be a beneficial addition to their diet. Cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Manganese enhances the action of insulin, the hormone responsible for controlling blood sugar. By improving insulin sensitivity, cloves help in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, making them an excellent natural remedy for diabetes management. Regular consumption of cloves can prevent sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. This is particularly important for individuals with type 2 diabetes, where maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. Including cloves in your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy to manage diabetes naturally. Number 4. Weight loss. If you're struggling with weight loss, cloves can be your ally in this journey. The high fiber content in cloves helps reduce the feeling of hunger, making it easier to manage portion sizes and avoid overeating. When taken between meals, cloves can help reduce appetite, promoting weight loss and aiding in maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber in cloves not only helps in managing hunger, but also improves digestion, ensuring that your body effectively processes the nutrients from your food. Additionally, cloves have thermogenic properties, meaning they can increase your metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories. This combination of appetite suppression and increased metabolism makes cloves a powerful tool for weight loss. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can support your weight loss efforts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Number 5. Protecting the respiratory system. Cloves are known for their ability to protect the respiratory system. They can help prevent viral and bacterial infections that cause colds, influenza, and other respiratory issues. The antiseptic properties of cloves make them effective in preventing bronchial infections and sinus infections, ensuring that your respiratory system remains healthy and functional. The eugenol in cloves has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with asthma or other chronic respiratory conditions. Regular consumption of cloves can help maintain clear airways and support overall respiratory health, allowing you to breathe easier and stay healthy. Number 6. Toothache treatment. Toothaches can be incredibly painful and disruptive. Cloves offer a natural and effective remedy for toothache treatment. The antiseptic properties of cloves protect the gums and teeth, reducing the severity of pain and eliminating bad breath. By applying clove oil or chewing on cloves, you can alleviate tooth pain and treat infections, providing relief from the discomfort caused by cavities and other dental issues. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, acts as a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory agent, providing immediate relief from tooth pain. It also helps in killing bacteria and preventing infections, ensuring that your oral health remains in good condition. This natural remedy can be a lifesaver for those suffering from toothaches, providing quick and effective relief without the need for chemical painkillers. Number 7. Anti-Depressant. In today's fast-paced world, mental health issues like depression and anxiety are becoming increasingly common. Cloves have been found to be effective in improving mood and eliminating symptoms of depression. The compounds in cloves work as natural antidepressants, promoting mental well-being and helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Regular consumption of cloves can help in balancing neurotransmitters in the brain, improving mood, and reducing the symptoms of depression. This natural remedy can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking for a holistic approach to managing their mental health. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can support your mental well-being and enjoy a happier, more balanced life. Number 8. Treatment of arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes pain and inflammation in the joints. The eugenol compound found in cloves has been shown to be effective in treating arthritis and relieving the resulting pain. Cloves are considered an excellent natural treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, increasing mineral density within the bones and strengthening them. Regular consumption of cloves can help in reducing inflammation and pain associated with arthritis, improving mobility and quality of life. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make them a powerful natural remedy for managing arthritis symptoms. By including cloves in your diet, you can support your joint health and reduce the impact of arthritis on your daily life. Now, how to prepare cloves water. To prepare a beneficial clove drink, follow this simple recipe. Put 1 or 2 sticks of cloves in a cup of water. Boil it well over the fire for half an hour. Leave it to cool, then add a spoonful of honey to sweeten it. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, or in the evening 1 hour before bed. This simple yet powerful preparation can help you unlock the numerous health benefits of cloves. The combination of cloves and honey not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional health benefits, making it a perfect drink to start or end your day. Quick warning. Pregnant women should not take cloves without consulting a doctor to avoid any negative effects on the fetus. While cloves offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to ensure that they are safe for your specific health condition. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new remedies into your routine, especially during pregnancy. Cloves offer an incredible array of health benefits, from strengthening the immune system and enhancing testosterone to regulating blood sugar and supporting weight loss. They protect the respiratory system, provide relief from toothaches, improve mood, and treat arthritis. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can unlock these benefits and enjoy better health and well-being. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in the comment section. And for those following us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.